Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Some more truth about dowry and harassment. On September 21, 2021, we had reported in our news that Neetu Datta, the great teacher of famous St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School, Ashok Avenue, Chittaranjan, CLW Chittaranjan, her father Sivlal Rajak, her mother Rajni Devi and her brother Amit Kumar were involved in dowry harassment and attempt to murder case number 485/21 registered in Katihar by Ruisha Kaveri. In the case, they are absconding to avoid arrest under section 498A, 341, 323, 325, 307, 379, 427, 504, 34, 3/4 DP Act. In this regard, it is very important to mention that the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent, Neetu Datta, who has ruined her husband's life by logging a false complaint of attempt to murder and the DP Act in year 2013-14, and till yet avoiding to give her own testimony before the Honorable Court through summons and arrest warrant has been issued. Whereas Neetu Datta, the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent School, was married in Jamalpur on 26 November 2021, only a shirt, pant and shoe without socks was provided to her husband, and he never remained for socks. From 2002 to 2012, every year in Holi and Dasara, Neetu Datta, the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent, is used to send clothes worth about 20,000 rupees to her family, sibling and parents every Holi Dasara, which her husband never opposed. Before marriage of Neetu Datta, the great teacher of St. Joseph, was told about her that she passed class 10 examination from Notre Dame Academy, Jamalpur, CBSE, New Delhi, and passed BSc Chemistry Honours, while it was later revealed that she has passed her class 10th from a notorious school of Jamalpur famous for cheating and copying an examination from Bihar School Examination Board, Patna, and has appeared in the examination of BSc Chemistry Honours Part 2 from Sundaravati Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Bhagalpur, Tilaka Manjhi, Bhagalpur University, but has failed. Neetu Datta, the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent, did not appear in any UPSC exam from competitive exam for teaching job on the strength of her merit. But Sister Teresa merits, the then principal of St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School, who was preparing for PhD under her husband's guidance, gave her appointment on the status, respect and behest of her husband to get great teacher Neetu Datta. The great teacher Neetu Datta was first appointed as a substitute, then on contact letter on provision, and finally by issuing a permanent appointment letter with another teacher. At the time, everyone was surprised that how did this Hindu lady got a permanent appointment in the missionary school so quickly. At the time of appointment, the educational qualification of the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent, Neetu Datta, was only inter pass. Later on, her husband enrolled herself in BA English Honours and got it passed by teaching himself. As far as following the footsteps of brother-in-law Mahendra Prasad is concerned, everyone is aware that in the fair, great teacher Nitu Datta got her husband transferred from Gorakhpur to Chitranjan, and one evening she got her brother-in-law Mahendra Prasad the jewels worth several lakh purchased by her husband and not her father were sent by her through brothers-in-law. In the night itself, in the morning, her husband came to know about this incident through their daughter. After the husband's objection to this incident, as these several lakhs ornament were made by the husband and not by the father of the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent Nitu Datta, the innocent husband was first tried to be killed by brother-in-law Narendra Prasad and his two friends at the residence, and later a false case was filed against the husband itself. The great teacher of St. Joseph Convent never washed a single dirty cloth of a potty of her daughter's childhood. See this irony of convent schools. Shoddy, an unless friend who used to say for the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent earlier, now they contact her husband and give her important news of movement to movement. Some residing near her residence and even some of her relatives whose house she visits. In this regard, it has been learned that in the case registered by Ruisha Kaveri, raids were conducted for the arrest of Sivlal Rajak and other at the ancestral residence of Jamalpur on 20 September 2021, and all the named accused were absconding. The elder son Atish Kumar and his wife Rani Devi and daughter Aradhya were present in the house. Another important information has been received from reliable sources that the great teacher of the amount of husband jewelry worth several lakh, which together with brother-in-law Mahendra Prasad she had stolen in purchasing a flat in a Swastik apartment in Rupnarayanpur area at 4th floor Mahavir Colony, Dabur More, Rupnarayanpur for rupees 18 lakh, and all the accused are hiding here. The surprising thing is that despite absconding, how great teacher Nitu Datta is doing daily duty in St. Joseph Convent Senior Secondary School. Until now, the school administration has not suspended or removed her by taking any strict action on her, but allowed her for daily duty, getting it done. Ruisha Kaveri father Vijaya Bhatia told that on 23rd September 2021, a petition was filed in the court of Honorable Chief Justice of Katihar for the bail of the great teacher of St. Joseph Convent, which has been rejected by the Honorable Chief Justice. All of you city dwellers, local are dwellers, and parents of students are requested to beware of such accused, as a charge of heinous crime of trying to burn her own sister-in-law alive and trying to throw her own sister-in-law from 16th floor of a flat has been logged against her safety safe, and in the interest of justice, help Ruisha Kaveri get justice by getting them arrested. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Todia working editor Vikas Prasad reporting Rakesh of Coal Worker Congress Kumar has written a letter to the chairman and managing director of Coal India stating need to take action on this. He has requested the Coal India president to issue guideline to all companies. Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with current agreement. Z NEET Motion Durgapur Study Center Motion Tower UCP 22 Bengal Ambuja City Center. Call us 94348 22278 /890001 Former Mayor of Asansol and BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari met Arun Arora, General Manager Eastern Railway, regarding the widening of Akhalpur Bridge on the main entrance to Jamuria. Jitendra Tiwari said that he has drawn the attention of GM of Eastern Railway towards Akhalpur Bridge of Jamuria. Millions of people of Jamuria have been demanding for years that this bridge be widened. This will further accelerate the development of Jamuria. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Few patients went to emergency department at Kelejora Hospital under Barabani Block, Kuchura Gram Panchayat this evening at 7:30 p.m. A local female doctor, Sudeshana Mandal, told all the patients that she would come tomorrow for treatment after 10 a.m. They spoke against it at the Barabani Police Hospital after receiving the news of the incident.
পেশেন্ট নিয়ে ডাক্তার দেখাতে এলাম, ওনাকে বললাম দিদি এনার অসুবিধা আছে, তো উনি বলছেন সকাল 10টা ছাড়া আমি দেখব না।
কে বলছে?
ওই ডাক্তার, যিনি ডাক্তার আছেন ওনার নাম তো আমি জানি না, তো উনি বলছেন সকাল 10টা ছাড়া দেখব না। তো আমি এখানে দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম আধ ঘন্টা, যে যদি দেখেন উনি তো একটু পরে যাব, হয়তো ওনার অসুবিধা থাকতে পারে। তো উনি আধ ঘন্টা সমানে এইখানে পাইচারি করে ফোন করেই এসে, তো আমি বললাম আপনি ফোন করার আপনার সময় থাকে তো 5 মিনিট একটি পেশেন্ট দেখার সময় হয় না? উনি বলছে এমার্জেন্সি পেশেন্ট ছাড়া আমি দেখতে পারবো না। তো এমার্জেন্সি কোনগুলো? মানুষ শরীর খারাপ হলে হসপিটালে আসে, ঠিক আছে, উনি বলছেন এমার্জেন্সি, তাহলে কি মাথা ফাটা, পা ভাঙা এগুলো ওনার কাছে এমার্জেন্সি, বাকি জ্বর বমি ব্যথা এগুলো এমার্জেন্সি নয়? তো আপনি ওনাকে ভালো করে জিজ্ঞেস করুন যে এমার্জেন্সি কোনগুলো, আর উনি কোথা থেকে ডিগ্রি নিয়ে এসছেন যে এখানে হসপিটালে এসে বলছেন আমি হসপিটালে সকাল 10টা ছাড়া দেখবো না। এটা কি নতুন নিয়ম শুরু হয়েছে কেলেজড়া হসপিটালে?
আপনারা তো লোকাল, এর আগে কি এরকম হয়েছে?
না, আগে এরকম কখনো হয়নি, রিসেন্ট হচ্ছে এখন।
এর আগে হয়েছে কমপ্লেইন বললে এদিকে দেখো, এদিকে ঘোরাও। আপনারা কিভাবে আবার দেখালেন?
আবার দেখালাম, পুলিশ এলো, পুলিশ এসে আমার একটা চেনা অফিসার ছিল, আমি একটা সরকারি পদে চাকরি করি, তো ওনার সঙ্গে আমার পরিচয় আছে, তো উনি বললেন দিদি আমি আপনাকে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি। তো উনি নিয়ে গেলেন, তারপর দেখালেন, দেখানোর পরে পেশেন্ট এই যে কাগজ দিয়েছেন উনি, তো পেশেন্টকে জিজ্ঞেস করা নাই কী হয়েছে, কিসের ব্যথা, কিসের জন্যে, উনি টেস্ট কটা লিখিয়ে দিচ্ছেন আর ওষুধ দিয়েছেন। তো আগে যখন বলেছিলাম অসুবিধার কথাটা, সেটা শুনেই উনি ওষুধ লিখেছেন, কিন্তু এখনও পর্যন্ত জিজ্ঞেস করা নেই যে কী হয়েছে, আপনার কী অসুবিধা আছে। তো ওনাকে তো পেশেন্টকে জিজ্ঞেস করা দরকার, কি ছুঁয়ে দেখাও দরকার, কি ওর কি করোনা হয়ে যাবে নাকি।
আপনার কি নামটা?
আমার বর্ণালী রায়।
পেশেন্ট দেখাতে এলে কি পুলিশ পিন্টু এই আমাকে ঠিক আছে।
coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Dilip Sav reporting attack on son-in-law who came to eat banquet in Jamuria village area because battlefield tension. Son-in-law Sheikh Ghaffar, who came from Sankarpur to have a feast in Jamuria village under Jamuria police station, was attacked by some people. Ghaffar, who was injured with a sharp weapon, has been admitted to Asansol District Hospital for treatment, become vocal against the attacker, so that the situation becomes tense. News Movement. News daily at 9 p.m. on every Friday with special features. Present news on YouTube in Hindi, Bengali, Urdu and English. News Movement Hindi. News Movement Bangla, News Movement Urdu, News Movement English. Contact for more details and advertisement 700-196-7279 861765 9448 9563830285 /7430997287 and other alternative number is 9641070758. Abdul Munaf reporting today a book namely Nazir Ahmad Yusufi Shakhsiyat or Fun has been released in the premises of Alochna Hall of Asansol Municipal Corporation. The program was presided by Asanan Saqib and carried out by Imtiaz Ahmad Ansari. It started from poem of Abdul Munaf, Elias and Tilawat. Dignitaries present were Dr. Iqbal Hussain, Janab Nasrullah Nasser, Nausad Sahib, Zafri Sahib, WBCS officer Anjum Rumana, Nazir Ahmad Yusufi, Dr. Sabra Khatun, Hena, Mehraj Ahmad Mehraj and others. Also, Dr. Sabra Khatun Hena were present. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Inaugural run of 09436 Asansol Ahmedabad special comments from Madhupur Asansol and irregular special wise 09436 Asansol Ahmedabad special one way will commence its journey from Madhupur at 16 hours on 26 September 2021 Sunday and will arrive Ahmedabad at 9 hours on the third day. Regular front of 09436/09435 Asansol Ahmedabad Asansol special train will be notified later on. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Working editor Vikas Prasad reporting the condition of the road has become very depleted due to long dispatch located on National Highway number 32 passing through Balrampur main town district. Water accumulating in these pits located on the road. Ironically, as the sun rises, white dust is also flying. To get rid of this, women blocked the road on Friday. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Swachh Parisar Divas second day observed at Asansol Division Asansol Swachhta Pakharwa. A fortnight-long program has been started on 16 September 2021, which will continue up to 30 September 2021. Today on 24 September 2021 observed as a Swachhta Parisar Divas second day. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Hundreds of BJP leaders led by Rajesh Tiwari alias Bunty, president of Asansol Bar Association, joined the Trimool by holding the Trimool flag in the hands of Malay Ghatak, Minister of State for Law and Public Work, at a function held in auditorium of Asansol Club. Hundreds of advocates including INTTUC District President Abhijit Ghatak, Trimool leader cum advocate Munir Beg were present on the occasion. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Was held at ADDA's guest house on Central Road in Asansol. The meeting was attended by Minister Malay Ghatak, Asansol Municipal Corporation Administrative Amarnath Chatterjee and other engineer of municipality. It is learned that the development of the city was discussed at the meeting. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Punjabi Mode Police of Raniganj Police Station raided and arrested the motorcycle thief Sargana on Saturday. The Punjabi Mode Police arrested the accused named Idgah Naim Sheikh of Raniganj Rohani area on the basis of secret information. The accused confessed before the police that he stole 10 motorcycles from different places and hid them in the house. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Moment. Without losers, where would the winners be? Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.